Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Globe Tutorial. I'm your host Sunlight and today I'll be teaching you how to stake your GDT on Globe Exchange. So the first thing you want to do is go onto globe.exchange and here you'll see on the top right hand corner, sign up if you don't have an account or log in if you do. So that will just take you to the home page. So what you want to do is go onto the top right hand side here and then go onto your wallet in the drop down menu. Here on your spot account, you'll see your assets. So if you scroll down to GDT, what you can do is then go onto the right and click stake. So here you'll find our staking products. If you just click onto one, don't worry if you made a mistake, you can still change your duration. So of course, the longer you stake your GDT, the higher the APY you'll get. So for example, let's do 365 days, let's go all in. So after you've entered the amount that you want to stake, click I have read the Globe staking agreement and then just click confirm. So after that, you just click close on the bottom right, and then there you have it. You have just staked your GDT. So it's important to note that if you want to unstake your GDT before the duration is up, you will lose all of your interest that you've earned so far. So if you go ahead and unstake early, just keep that in mind. So if you would like to add some more GDT to stake, what you can do is go up onto the top right again and then go into your wallet. So what you want to do, there are two ways of adding GDT onto your account. So one is to buy more. So you can buy more on the spot market. If you just click onto that, then on the right-hand side, you will enter your price and how much GDT you want to buy, and then click buy. Alternatively, what you can do is deposit more from another wallet. So let me just show you. If you go back into your wallet here, and then on GDT again, you click deposit. What you do is from another address that you have GDT in, just deposit the address that shows up here. And there you have it. Now you know how to stake and unstake your GDT, buy more on the spot market, or deposit from another wallet. Happy staking! So, if you would like to know more, please don't forget to subscribe. So, I'll see you next time. Bye!